Oh, there he is. There he is. Alright, throw slack in your line. There you go. Oh, you did have a fish on. Dang, man, that sucks. It looked like a smaller pike. Oh, oh my goodness. Come on, let me net him for you. Let me do better than I did last time. Keep him off the bottom. He'll run you into stuff. Alright, keep the rod down. Don't pull him up. Don't pull him up. Just run him. Oh, that's a good one. Nice. Gotta keep his head up so he don't get tangled. He hit that air bladder. Man, that's a good one. Healthy pike. Hold him up. Let's get you a picture while he's hooked up. Man, that startled me. It's been a long time since I got a hit from a fish. He's still hanging around. Oh my God. Whoa! What a blow up! Oh, there he is. Oh, that's a good one. All right, slow down, slow down. Let him fight a bit. Let him fight. Nice. Alright, throw some slack in here. Here you go. Try this. These will probably work better. Needle nose are good. Good job, my friend. Whoa, no! I pulled it out too soon. Oh, he hit it again. Whoa!
What is it, a pike?
Yeah, pretty sure. Dude, that sucks. He was so close. That thing's aimed right at me too. Oh God. We can go back to it. Oh! Oh! Oh my God, if that would have hit me, that would have been so painful. Holy sh! The hooks are wrapped up, so you should be able to pop it over fairly good. Oh! Ah! God, I must be the luckiest man alive. Just not with fishing. Maybe that's why the fish keep missing. I'm impossible to hit.
Oh.
There he is. Get him, get him, get him. No. Oh, he cut, no!
Shit.
Dang.
Okay, I'll do it.
See, dude, that's exactly what I'm saying. Back here, for some reason, is bad luck. You always get off over here. I don't know why. That's literally like the 5th fish I've seen get off in this hole. And I've caught some.
As soon as I picked him up out of the water, he just...
Yeah, he's kicking.
Gave it a shake of bait.
Yeah. You should have threw him on me, man. Oh, I don't care, man. Get that fish in, dude. Throw him at me. I'll make do. I'll be fine. Slime me up if you have to. Hook me with the dribble. I want to fish in the boat. Oh my God. No, that was a massive blow up, dude. He tried to smash it harder than I've ever seen one try and hit. Come back for more, man. Come on. Oh, why do they keep doing this to me, dude? Why do I keep getting misses? Ah, that was nuts though, dude. What a blow up.
Got one.
Oh, that's a good one, dude. Keep him down, keep him down, keep him down. Lead him, lead him. Oh, nice catch. Heck yeah. That's a good one. That's probably a good 18, 19. Heck yeah, man. That's a solid one too.
He hit solid.
Oh yeah, them big ones like that, man.
It's like I stuck a tree branch.
It's crazy too, because I was just casting over there.
I let it sink that time.
Yeah.
I gave it like a couple second bumper or whatever.